हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम देखेंगे एसक्यूएल इंजेक्शन एंड उसके थ्रेड्स और देखेंगे एसक्यूएल इंजेक्शन अटैक। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो फर्स्ट हम लोग देखेंगे एसक्यूएल। एसक्यूएल इज स्ट्रक्चर क्वेरी लैंग्वेज इज बेसिकली एज a textual language that enable interaction with the database server. SQL commands such as insert, retrieve, update and delete are used to perform operation on database. Programmers use this command टू मैनिपुलेट डेटा इन द डेटाबेस सर्वर। सो ये है एसक्यूएल। अभी देखते हैं एसक्यूएल इंजेक्शन क्या होता है। एसक्यूएल इंजेक्शन इज डिफाइंड एज अ टेक्निक दैट टेक एडवांटेजेस ऑफ नॉन वैलिडेट इनपुट vulnerabilities and inject SQL command through web application that are executed in a backend database. Programmers use sequential SQL command with client supplied parameter, making it easier for attacker to inject command. So attacker can easily execute random queries on the database server through a web application. Attacker use this technique to either gain unauthorized access to database or retrieve information directly from the database. So ये है SQL injection. Next SQL injection black box testing. In black box pen testing, the pen tester does not need to any knowledge about the network or a system. The first job of the tester to find out the location and system infrastructure. The tester tries to identify the vulnerabilities of web application from attacker perspective. Use special characters, white space, SQL keywords, oversize request, etc. to determine the various condition of the वेब एप्लीकेशन. सो ये है एसक्यूएल इंजेक्शन ब्लैक बॉक्स पेन टेस्टिंग. नेक्स्ट वन इज एसक्यूएल इंजेक्शन थ्रेड्स. The following are the major threads of SQL injection. The first one is spoofing identity. Spoofing identify is method followed by attacker. Here people are deceived into believing that a particular email or website has originated from the source, which is actually it's not true. Next one is changing price. One more of the problem related to the SQL injection. It can use to modify data. Here attacker enter the online shopping portal and change the price for the product, then purchase the product at cheaper rate. Next one is tamper with the data records. The main data is completely damaged with the data alteration. There is even the possibility of completely replacing the data or even deleting the data. Next one is escalation of privilege. Once of the system is hacked, the attacker seek the high privileges used by administrative members and gain completely access to the other as well as network. Next one is denial of service on the server. In this attack, where user are not able to system, more and more requests are to the send server which cannot handle them. This result is temporary halt in the service of the server. Next was complete disclosure of all the data on the system. Once the network is hacked, the crucial and highly confidential data like credit card numbers, employee details, financial record are disclosed. Next one is destruction of data. The attacker, after gaining complete control over the system, completely destroyed the data, resulting in huge losses for company. Next one, why doing system critical transaction. An attacker can operate the system and can halt all the crucial transaction performed by the system. Last one is modifying the record. Attacker can modify the records of the company, which proves to be major setback for the company database management system. So ये है SQL इंजेक्शन थ्रेड्स. नेक्स्ट हम लोग देखेंगे SQL इंजेक्शन अटैक्स. SQL injection attacks based on the application and how it process user supplied data. SQL injection can be used to perform the following types of attack. The first one is Authentication bypass. In this authentication bypass, here the attacker could enter into the network without providing any authenticate username or password. It could gain access over the network. He or she get highest privileges in the network. Next one is information disclosure. After unauthorized entry into the network, the attacker get access to sensitive data stored in the database. Next, compromised data integrity. The attacker changes the main content of the website and also enter malicious content into. Next one is compromised availability of data. The attacker use these types of attack to delete the data related to audit information or any other crucial database information. The last one is remote code execution. An attacker could modify, delete or create data, or even it can create a new account with full user right on the server that share files and folder. It allow an attacker to compromise the host operating system. So ये है SQL injection attacks. Thank you for watching.